Well, hi everybody. Well, today I'm here at beautiful Ski Mont Tremblant and I'm about to try out a brand new accessories from Gopro that will be available in Canada real soon. Let me show you what it's all about. As you know, last fall, GoPro launched their brand new flagship action camera, the Hero 9 Black, with ton of features and options, and it's perfect for action sport, just like skiing. The company has plenty of new accessories for the camera, but they've yet to be available to us in Canada. I was able to get my hands on this new accessory mod. It's called the Max Lens mod. What it does, it allows for 155 degrees field of view, but best of all, it gives you a brand new horizon stabilization beyond the factory option. It's a simple and easy installation. You just remove the original lens from the GoPro, twist the new mod on, go in the option and activate from the menu the stabilization, and you're ready to go. So let's find out what this new mod is all about with some real skiers. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this quick video about the GoPro Max Lens. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Until next time, cheers!